To fix Venmo small deposits not showing, start by understanding what these small deposits are. Venmo uses small deposits to verify your bank account, typically sending 2 deposits between 1 and 99 cents to your account. If these deposits do not show up, you cannot complete the verification process. First, check your bank account to ensure the deposits have not been made. Sometimes these deposits can take a few days to appear, so be patient. If after a few days the deposits still have not appeared, log into your Venmo account and check the verification status of your bank account. If the verification is still pending, proceed to the next step. Next, ensure that your bank account is compatible with Venmo. Some banks may have restrictions or issues with Venmo, so check with your bank to confirm. You can also try to add your bank account again to see if that resolves the issue. If you have recently changed your bank account or routing number, this could be the cause of the problem. Try to update your bank account information in Venmo to reflect these changes. Additionally, check for any typos or errors in your bank account information, as this can also prevent the deposits from showing up. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo support directly. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to verify your bank account. You can also try to use a different bank account or payment method to see if the issue is specific to one account. To prevent this issue in the future, make sure to keep your bank account information up to date and be patient when waiting for the small deposits to appear. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Venmo small deposits not showing and complete the verification process successfully.